You're welcome to the Young Author channel. Please, if today happens to be your first time finding your way here, I would encourage you to subscribe to my channel. In doing that helps me to grow the channel, and then it keeps me moving. It inspires me and it encourages me, and it made me aware that there are audience or there are people out there that I need to help or I need to feed. Thank you for doing that, and God bless you. Today I am here to answer a message that I received from one of the YouTube viewers, or let me say one of the audience who viewed my video on YouTube and sent me email. I am here to do this in answering the message I received. I've actually replied him, but then I wouldn't want my audience or the views I have out there miss this one also. This is the message. This is the message he sent. Please, as the young author, how do I know my actual royalty rate on KDP or Amazon when someone buys my book? Thank you, the young author. Thank you as well for messaging me. I really appreciate it a lot, and I don't take it for granted. In fact, this is my first time receiving email from an YouTube audience. Okay, God bless you for valuing me and then seeing some potential in me that I can actually be of help to this question that might be buffering you sometime now. So let's get straight into it. How do I know my ebook royalty? That is the question we have to ask ourselves. And first of all, I want to do a little bit introduction about KDP or Amazon publication. The truth is that it doesn't cost you anything in terms of money to publish on Amazon. Only with your time and phone or laptop you can do this. But when it comes to others platforms such as Ingram's Spark, you would have to pay for it. You will pay for the publication and all that. Let me quickly do this disclaimer before I continue. You see, I am not saying publishing a book does not involve money. No, that is not what I mean. I am not saying that publishing a book, it doesn't cost you anything. No, that is absolutely not what I am trying to convey over here. Not what I'm trying to chip it in your mind here. No, what I mean is that it does. You see, it doesn't cost you anything to publish on Amazon. After finishing writing your book, doing everything, to release it on air, or let me say to release it online, to get it to Amazon space, it doesn't require you any financial whatever value. It doesn't cost you any financial value. Okay, it is free of charge. If you have data on your phone, data on your laptop, you are good to release your book. Even today, you are good to release even 50 books at a go on Amazon. But you see, it does, especially it costs you. There is a cost in publication, especially when you don't know how to do certain things. For example, or for instance, you don't know how to do the cover design, you don't know how to do the formatting, you don't know how to do the proofreading, and you don't know how to do the editing. You see, all these things, when you don't know how to do them, it costs you. It comes with a cost, because somebody must do for you. Somebody has to be a third party in this book journey for you. And for having a third party in books writing, it actually comes with a cost, because editor, you pay the person. Somebody formatting your book chapters and introduction, everything, you pay the person. Somebody proofreading it, you pay for the person. Going for another third person to do the cover design, you have to pay for the person. Okay, you have to pay for the person. So fast forward, what I am saying is that Amazon through KDP does not charge you anything to publish your book. Thank you. Okay, so now let's continue. Royalty rate for ebook. This one is only on ebook. So the question is, how do I know my ebook royalty? Ebook stands for electronic books. How do I know my ebook royalty? Good. Obviously, we don't have a printing cost for ebook on Amazon. The royalty rate for ebook is in two phases. That is 70% and then also 30%. There is a way to choose from these two royalty rates. For instance, if you price your book between $2.99 to $9.99, you would have to choose 70% royalty. when you price your book between this amount range, between this dollars range, you have to price it. If you price it that way, that means when your price falls between this 2.99 to 9.99, you are going to receive 70%, or you would have to choose 70% royalty rate. But then if your book is more than, if you price your book less than 2.99 or more than 9.99 royalty, you would have to, 9.99, if you price it less than 2.99 or more than 9.99, your royalty would have to be 30%. So when you are choosing it on Amazon or KDP, when you are publishing the book and your price is actually higher than 9.99 and the price is also less than 2.99, choose 30% royalty. The question again is, how do you get paid? How do you get paid through Kindle Direct program? Let me first of all quickly do short or speak little about KDP Select program. We have what we call KDP Select program, and you would have to enroll. Okay, you would have to enroll for it. Now, what is KDP Select program? It's very simple, and it is very helpful as well. It's a subscription service offered by Amazon that allows readers to access and read a vast selection of ebooks from the Kindle library. Anybody using iPad or even your phone, when you subscribe to unlimited use of KDP, we have KDP readers, or we have readers. Even you yourself, you can actually decide to upgrade to KDP Select program. When you register and you make the payment, you pay it in dollars, you make the payment. What it means is that it gives you the opportunity to read from their site, read every book that they want. So long as the book is being published on KDP or on Amazon, you can read it without buying it. You can read it without even, you see, you can also decide to download it. That is why we have a lot of WhatsApp channel nowadays in our system where they upload books, other people books where you may not get access to. Maybe the person is a foreigner, and then you have access to the book like in a PDF form or software form. So imagine a young author, you upload your book on KDP Amazon, you go in for Amazon KDP Select program, you enroll your book there, and the people are just reading it and then downloading it and sharing it without them buying it from you, or buying it traditionally, or buying it from Amazon. You see that you may actually, it is not a good thing to do, but if you want to, you can also do it. It depends on your book. But me, for instance, I've never tried KDP Select program before. I don't want that, because I'm a young person coming. I want my book to be bought, because I invested money. Publishing a book requires money. It needs money. I must get my money back, even though I'm not doing this for money. But then the Bible says that he that waters, he himself shall also be watered. So Bible also says in the book of Galatians that whatever a man sows, that's what he reaped. I have sowed money, let me reap money. I am watching people, I'm imparting knowledge, passing knowledge onto people, and then I'm investing knowledge in people. I must also be watered. That is what the simple principle means. People, you see, in most at times in Kindle Select program, you get paid through reading. Meanwhile, people think in Kindle Select program, so long as people are downloading your book, they must be paid. No, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work like that. The truth is, I want you to know that you get paid based on the number of pages people read from your book. In fact, that is the that is the crucial truth about KDP Select program. It's a nice thing to do if you really want to enroll your book over there. You get paid according to, or based on, the number of pages people read from your book. You see, which connotes that the longer pages you have, the more you earn on KD Select program. So imagine you have 5,000 pages. You've written a book you've written a book that has 500 pages or 5,000 pages or even 3,000 pages. People can write. Yes, I know one of my mentor, who has written 6,000 pages of a book. So that book, there is no publication there. I don't know how they are going to combine it and then do perfect bind. I don't know how they are going to, except maybe it can only be read online. Yes, it can only be read online. So people who are on KDP Select program actually decide to they decide, they intentionally want to write more pages so that when people read over there, they get money. That is the truth you should know. That is the truth you should know. So the more or the longer your page, the more you earn from KDP Select program. Now this is how KDP Select program works. They gather all the money received from those who subscribe to the unlimited use on KDP Select. Those who go and read over there direct without downloading the book or buying the book, whatever. Those who subscribe to that program, and those money they pay, they gather all the money and divide it out. Okay, they divide the money after collecting the money. They put the money together, they make it one, and then they divide it out according to the pages people read online. So that means the money is given back to the publishers or the authors. This is called global fan payment payout. This thing they do, it is called global fan payout. So they pay people globally. Amazon or KDP pay people globally. They pay the authors who have. So right now, if you go and enroll your book, if you go and put your book on KDP Select program, what it means is that the number of pages people are going to read, the money people have used to subscribe to that unlimited use of KDP Select program, you are going to get your share. Imagine nobody reads your book in the whole month or in the whole year. You are getting 0.0000. Count the number of zeros you may have. But if you are lucky, people go and read it, you get money. And we are going to know how much they pay you in this video as well as you are watching. You see, also this global fan payout, which is based on pages read changes every month. What I mean is that it changes every month. This global fan payment or payout, there's no fixed amount or fixed price you must receive. Every month it changes. Every month they keep on changing it. Therefore you cannot have fixed payment value. You see, there are times you get less and sometimes too you can earn more. To earn more will depend on your readers. And the last time I checked, as of August 2024, KDP was paying per page 0.0041 USDT. So per page, when somebody read your page, full page, you get 0.00441 USDT. Yeah, but for some time now, I think this month, November, I made a cross check again, and then I think they've increased it to 0.00488. So that is as of now, November 2024, Amazon pays you or KDP pays you 0.00488 per page when people go there and read your book. Maybe if you want to know how this thing is done, you can bypass, or I got this information from written word media. So you can have some time and bypass there and read their articles as well. However, the price per page keeps changing every 30 days, which is approximately 1 month. By the way, this information I'm sharing with you concerning the price, that is where I did my research. So you can visit written word media, and if you're author as well, you can use that platform to promote your books and all that. That's why I did my research. I don't just come and do video. I make sure I do my needful. Okay, I do my needful. I do research before I come and I release any video, or let me say information, or before I voice out, I need to make sure I've done some little research. So if you can see that message I read, that email I received it today, which was 1:40 something a.m. midnight. However, I was actually reading those articles 3 days ago. I was doing research about that, but I wasn't intending to come and do video on that. So this person just wake me up to do this video. So if that is the case to earn, so if what we are saying is that if they are paying you 0.00441 USDT, if that is the case, if you want to earn $20 in a month, you need to get about 4,600 pages read. You need to get for now. Amazon don't pay you at a go when somebody read your book. No, they don't pay you. They don't pay you like somebody just finished reading your book, so you are going to get paid. No, and they don't pay you at the end of the month. It takes, I think, 2 or 3 months before you get paid, because KDP Select program pay you 60 days after the end of the month of your sales. That is 60 days after the end of your month, and end of your month of the sales. So for example, if you release or publish ebook in June, if you release your book on KDP Select program in the month of June 2024, you would get paid in August 2024. So approximately 2 months. We have what we call 30 days delay. So you release it in June, July, August. So the sales was actually calculated from June, July. So the August is the 30 days delay. The 30 day delay means they are just waiting or seeing if somebody will just come and read a portion of it to it. And then also what they do is that's when they take their time and divide out the money and share it globally to the authors, those who have published their book on KDP Select program. Do you understand now? So just before you think this is a monthly payment, it's a 60 days instead. It's not a monthly payment. This is not a monthly payment.